Lila, you got a thing for Tristan? Come off. Hi, I will pet you down here. Okay? Yes, hi. Hi, Broccoli. Nope. On the ground. Good boy. Nope. Hi, Sadie. Buddy. Hi, Lilo. Sadie. Sadie, come. Sadie, come. Come on. Hiya, Benson. How you doing, big guy? How you doing? No jumping. Tristan! Goldie. It's the Goldilocks. Very beautiful. Hi, handsome. Hi, Tristan.
Is that big enough for you, Sadie?
Allie. Digging the china. You got snow on your noggin. What are you doing? Are you beautiful? Sadie scored herself a big chunk of snow. Lilo. Nobody's over there, Brock. Come on. Tristan. Hey, buddy. How are you? Hiya, Benson. I'm coming over there next anyway.
Yeah. I don't think it's good.
Brady. Hi. Hey, Bill, you're not supposed to be up here. Whoa, don't run into me.